One thing I will like you to come to terms with is that the real world is different from the glossy world and the perception you see on social media. Social media does not represent the real world, though. Are you there? The online world, the sun does not set there, it's bright from morning to night. That's not a real world. The real world is where there is night and where there is day. Please remember, not everything that you see online is true. Also know that with the development of artificial intelligence, there are a lot of people who are seeking to manipulate, to influence your thoughts, to influence your actions, and of course to control you every time you click a button on your handheld device. Are you aware? Anything that is important, the person will leave a message and I will respond when I can. And when I am going to bed, the last thing I do is shut down my phone, put it in the charger and sleep. Nothing will happen, trust me, that cannot wait for morning. If there is bad news, God forbid, you will get it. Even if your phone is off. So what is that important thing that you cannot control a tool that is now controlling your lives? It might sound easy, but I just want to advise you, be careful what you do online. Manage your time there sensibly.